Hey guys, and welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can sign in to your Bank of America account. First of all, go to any web browser on your mobile device or your PC, and in the web address bar, type in Bank of America. Click the first link, which is the official website of Bank of America, and here you have to type in your online ID and passcode to sign into your account. And in any case, if you forgot your ID or passcode, simply click this option right here. Then it will ask you to enter your card number or account number and also the social security number or tax ID number. And further, if you want to view your online ID or create a new password, you can click this link right here. And if you already have a bank account and you want to get enrolled in online banking, click this link right here. And after filling in the details, you can enroll in online and mobile banking. And if you don't have an account, you can open one account simply by clicking over here. And from here, you can create a new bank account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.